The location of the towns is X and Y. I have two journeys. The first journey is from X to Y. I use the pink color highlighter. Then I have a return journey. The return journey is from Y to X. So I can use a reverse arrow to demonstrate that. And for that, the information is 70 km per hour. So from Y to back to X, that's the return journey. I have the speed that is 70 km per hour. I don't have the time, and originally I don't have the distance. But because I have the distance from the first question, which is over here, when he asked for the second part, how long? Okay, so the first part is kilometer, the second part is hour, the units. So with the part A answer, I can just go straight to part B. So part B, I will find the time, which is the duration. That will be distance divided by speed, which will be the A answer divided by 70 km. I can use a calculator to press that. That will give me a fraction probably. And then I'm done with it. Okay? Now, not too difficult, correct? Now, and that was the second set of time, of speed, the chapter. Is it okay? Easy? Perfect. So, please really turn this in only two paragraphs. So, whole worksheet, on top of the whole worksheet, your whole worksheet is complete. Okay. Huh? Okay, now, in other words, you see, why I say that this is not holiday homework is because I can have students who have finished already. And I'm having it now. So if you tell me, do they have speed homework for June holidays? Don't have. But do you finish? You didn't finish, so you have now. Okay? Now, okay, before I say like that's the end, I'm not going to start on the other part, the new section on speed. Okay? Don't want to do that. Those of you who haven't finished, please finish this, please. But I do want you to take a look at to give yourself a rough idea of where is the new part that we are getting at. Okay? We'll be back at doing this for the last June holidays. This new segment is called average speed. Here. Now, let's take a look at trying to organize our knowledge. Finish already? Please keep the paper. Those of you who never finished or didn't check out the YouTube video, please go back and finish it. Okay? We'll stop here for the worksheet in terms of the chapter on speed. But we'll come back to complete average speed and the harder questions at the back. Still quite a chunk. Is that okay? Now, so looking at this, I want us to take a look at it and understand the content. Starting from page 7, the title says, from page 7, the title says, finding speed, distance and time. This is page 7. Finding speed, distance and time. This is the first part where we are introduced to the idea of the relationship between distance, speed and time. And the first series of problems that we need to solve is asking us to look for either speed, distance or time. It's looking for either of these. So to find distance, I use speed times time. To find speed, I use distance divided by time. To find time, I use distance divided by speed. Basically, just this part. So this is the first part of the chapter. Getting to know the different identities. Getting to know you. Getting to know all about you. Distance, speed and time. once you are able to understand this relationship, you start off solving one-step word problems. Getting to know a journey of travel and finding out these identities for each journey. Then we get to know the second part of the story, which is the harder word problems that we tried today and yesterday. Whereby it's trying to tell you now that my journey can involve more than one part. Either, for example, I have two destinations. Like yesterday I said, I go to the canteen, then I go to the field. Two destinations. I walk to the canteen, but I run to the field. Two different speeds. Now, or I can go by a return trip, such as from here, I go from the house to the park, then I go from the park back home. If you go back and look at the YouTube video, you realize that when we talk about part of the journey, definitely we have fractions. Okay, then that was all that we learned so far. Before I say goodbye to you, I want to plant the idea about average speed for you. Look at this story here. How many destinations are there? Just question one. And what scenario can you think of that is like this in real life? Yes, correct, like an MRT station. Or even most relevant to you, think about how some of you run during the 1.6 kilometer run. Some people, the first round, wow, chua! Run super fast! But then, come to the second round, start walking already. You were there, whoa. Then after that, you run the second round, you run the third round, you saw the third round. Hey, bro, why are you walking? Run. Okay? Then, the third round, fourth one. Wow, Mr. Zhu, turn. Then you start jogging. Then you, by the fifth round, I cannot already. Then after that, you saw Aiden running in front of you. Hey, you! Bye! They spin away in front of you. After that, you hear after that something at the side because he finished already. He shy at you. Last round! Come on, last round! Choma! Then you hear the last round. Wow! You finish. Now, what can you understand from this story? Every single round is in the same distance. What is different? The speed is different. So starting from this point, look at this question. How many parts from point A to point B? 3 parts. All these 3 parts, is it same? Not the same. All these 3 parts, the speed the same? Also not the same. But if I add everything up, all the 3 parts I add up, that's called total distance. I add all the 3 parts of the time that I get, that's called total time. When I take all the distance, divide by all the time, I get what we call average speed. So in other words, first round I run and dash, second round I walk, third round I walk, the fourth round I jump, the last round I sprint. All of them are different speeds. But if I use total distance divided by total time, I can get what you call average speed. May I know where you heard this word average from? Last year. What was the formula for average? Total divide on the number of data. It's the same thing. Okay? Okay. Before we go, can you tell me your holiday homework? Monday, Tuesday, book 1. Wednesday, Thursday, book 2. And Friday is? Thank you. Bye-bye.